What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be doing a last pack opening before the end of the season, which has dropped at the time I post this video. I'm hoping for good stuff. The Future Stars promo I've not got anything from yet, but I think that potentially I've got some really juiced packs in this video. Maybe I'll get lucky with one or two. So I've got some basic packs up to start with. Maybe getting here Caruso maybe. So yeah, I'm hopeful that this video is going to give me some good stuff, but you never know with this game. It'll be absolutely amazing or it'll be trash, so hoping for the amazing side this time. Brazil, centre back. Oh, it's Marquinhos again. I'm getting some mad luck with this guy recently. I'm never going to use him, but he's good fodder, so I'm not going to complain really. 85 times 2, I'll keep that to the end. I've got a bunch, look at all these. 81 times 2 first. It's the tip of the iceberg for this video. It's going to be like Musial or something. Or Muller, okay. I don't know what the Waka animation is to this day, so... yeah. Anyway. France. Striker. It's going to be Colin 1. Yeah, I'm never going to pack Mbappe realistically. Pack Colomwani a lot as well, bit of a troll sometimes. 81 times 2 again. It is Brazilian, there's a centre back, and it is Chelsea, is going to be Thiago Silva. One of the greatest centre backs of all time in my opinion. Thiago Silva. Okay, the last day 1 times 2. We get Dutch, we get centre back, and we get Newcastle. No Van Dijk unfortunately. Okay, I've packed Botman a number of times this year thinking it's Van Dijk. Big troll. Haller, again. Fair play to him. Scored the winner in the Africa Cup of Nations last Sunday. Very good player now. France. Cam. Heck? Oh, I have no idea who this is. Majru. Okay, couldn't care less. Could not care less. Right, these 2 packs I've got here should be decent. Let's do 85 times 2 first. We get England, we get Stevie M, and we get Arsenal. We get Rice. Okay, that's terrible. It's absolutely shocking. This is my first A4 times 5 for a while. Is that an icon? Hold on. Hold on. Okay. Who's this? Oh! Future Stars Petite! That's insane! Yo! Okay, that's a mad pull. I thought my luck might be up. It is. That's crazy. Okay, the rest of the pack's awful. But that is some start to this video. Okay, we're back with some more packs. A few more juiced ones here. Croatia, CDM, that's Brozovic. Okay, I'm actually very hyped after packing that one. We're packing a Mambo Petit. So, maybe our luck will continue. We will see. Spain, goalkeeper. Red. What? Red? Misa, okay. Trash. Actual trash. Okay, A1 times 2. Portugal. Right mid. João Mario probably there. Surely it's going to be João Mario. Yes, indeed. A1 times 2. America. Left back. American League. Female. Mace. Right, okay. Alright, 84 plus and 84 times 4. Oh, yo! Future stars from that. France CDM. Okay, it's a female. I don't know who this is. Lamuel. Okay. We take it. Take the future stars. It's not a good one, but whatever. Take whatever I can get. 84 times 4. Back to back. No shot. Italy. CDM. Torino. No clue. Ricci. That looks an okay card as well, to be fair. Doesn't look too bad at all. It's got playstyle. That's pretty good. I'm not going to complain at that. Okay, we're back. 83 times 10. Let's do this. Okay, no future stars. That's the team of the week, I think. It is. We get David Costa from Lens. Okay. Might have to chuck this guy into an SBC quickly. 84 times 5 is coming up. Here they are. I've got 2 just now because I've only got 2 team of the weeks. We'll get another one though. Belgium. I actually do. That's all the V-rolled, I believe. An 87. Not too bad. I got 2. Okay. Somerville and Alderweireld. Let's do the next one. Come on, future stars, please. Okay, no walking that one. He was right there. Okay, it's Trent. I think it's just a single. Yes, it is. Okay, we take it. We very much take that. Anything else good? Nope. Couple 84s. 84 times 5. Come on, this better be good. Oh, it's future stars again. Argentina, wait, Crespo? Okay, it's Lautaro Martinez and it's a double walkout. We get Barrios. Okay, that's actually a juiced card. 90 dribbling. Skullet gang as well. That's not bad at all, to be fair. Whoa, 4 walkouts in that pack. 3 87s and an 86. That is juiced. Okay, last section of this pack opening. Got some decent stuff here. Last hurrah, maybe. Okay, Brahim Diaz first up. Not ideal, but we can only go up from here. Okay. Okay, I've got, again, look at this good stuff here. This is my last bad pack, the 81 times 2. Everything else is juiced. Spain, center mid. Parejo, it's another walkout. I think he's probably a duplicate, because I always forget to do SBCs with him. But he's probably the most common walkout I've got this year. Alright, let's go. Okay, I've got another one, 81 plus times 2, which I missed. Denmark, center back. Barca, okay, Christensen. Christensen and Terrier, okay. Okay, let's do the 80 times 5, I think. Did I do the 84? I'll do the 84 plus actually, because there's only one player. England, left wing. It's gonna be Grealish? Or it could be Foden. It's Grealish, okay. Duplicate, no use at all. Right, come on. Looking for some juice from these bags. 8 times 5. Okay, nothing there. Portugal, Cam. You know what? I take it back. That's Bruno. That's a walkout. Anything else? Nope, just him. Okay, that's not awful. The rest of the pack is absolutely trash. So that's great. Alright, 84 times 5 first. Oh, that's a future stars. Left mid. Endo. Okay. I mean, it's not great, but 90 pace, 88 dribbling is not too bad, to be honest. Alright. a few 84s as well. Okay, last pack for this video. We better go out on a high here. 85 times 4. Okay. Spain. CDM. Okay, it's Rodri and who else? Rodri and who? Then Will again. Okay, a bit disappointing. But what a pack opening that was. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.